This is the insulation comparison module. It's designed to show you the 3 most common types of insulation in this area. This module is basically a house upside down. I've got a heater on in here, so this represents the attic. And up here would be the inside of your home with insulation here. The first thing to point out is the temperature is in the 130 range, which is very common in this area for attics to be that hot in the summer. They can even be hotter than 130 degrees. But insulation helps that, and you can see by these thermometers that we're much lower than what we have here, and that's basically because of the insulation. 40 to 50% of your bill is from heating and cooling. Proper insulation will lower that cost because the unit will not have to run as much. So let's talk about the 3 types of insulation. First, I'll start with the foam insulation here. It's an R6 per inch. The higher the R value, the more effective it is. Cellulose is 3.4 per inch. Fiberglass is 3.2 per inch. So that just simply means that you have to have more of these two than this one to achieve your R33 or R38. From a cost standpoint, foam is the most expensive, $2.90 to $3.20 per square foot. Cellulose is next at 85 to 95 cents. Then fiberglass at 50 to 80 cents. So what are their air infiltration properties? I'm going to turn a fan on and show you what happens when you introduce air movement to your insulation. And notice how on the fiberglass that the ball immediately rose to the top, which indicates air leakage and that it should have been paired with caulking or foam sealant. The cellulose, the ball just rose a little bit. There was some air movement, which again indicates that you have to pair cellulose with additional sealing, such as caulk or foam sealant. Then finally we get to the foam, and there is no movement whatsoever on that ball. No air movement, meaning that not only has this provided the proper R value, but it's also given you the sealing that you need. So in general, insulation in our ceiling in this area should be an R33 to an R38, and it will actually help lower the cost of your heating and cooling. This will keep your system from running as much and make your house more comfortable. All 3 types of insulation can be effective in giving you the R38 that you need. They just have different properties of insulation.